My name is Warren Buffett. I'm 93 years old. I was born in Omaha. I created a huge fortune. I'm known for investing, for simple money advice, for living very humbly, even with billions earned. When I was just 6, I sold gum door to door. Later, I sold Coca-Cola. I always loved business. I made my first dollar and saved every little bit. I read books every day and learned from mistakes. People think I'm lucky, but I just stayed calm. I waited, I learned, and I grew slowly. I'm here to help you, not to impress anyone, just to share my story and give 10 money lessons. These lessons are simple. No magic, no secrets, just habits that work for any life and age. If you want to grow, if you dream of freedom, start with these steps and trust the process. Now, let's begin together. From lesson number 10, I'll tell you what matters in money, life, and growth. Listen with your heart. Repeat each word slowly. Improve your English and your future too. Lesson 10 is simple. Start early, start small. I began as a kid, selling gum for pennies. At 11, I invested in my first real stock. It was hard to wait, but I learned patience. Time is your best friend. It helps money grow. Even small amounts grow if you give them time. I didn't get rich by winning the lottery. I just started early and kept moving forward. People wait too long. They say, I'm not ready. But time won't wait, and neither will life. Start with $1. Start with one book. Start with one goal. That's all you need. I read every day, saved every small coin. I didn't waste money or precious time either. Don't wait for perfect. Just begin with what you know and have. It's more than enough. Start now, not tomorrow. Learn one new thing, save one small bill, and do it again. Remember this always. The earlier you begin, the bigger your results. That's the magic secret. Lesson 9 is powerful. Spend less than you earn. It sounds very basic, but most people forget. I never lived big, even with my fortune. I still eat cheap and drive the same car. People buy too much to look more successful. But real wealth grows when you spend less. I always saved money from every little job. I didn't buy things I didn't truly need. I bought my house over 60 years ago and never changed it. Why would I? You don't need more to be truly happy. You need good habits and peace of mind. It's not about salary, it's about your habits. If you waste money, you lose your freedom. I saw rich people go completely broke because they spent blindly and forgot this rule. So spend with care, save with intention, invest with wisdom, and grow with time. Control your lifestyle now, and freedom will follow. That's the real difference between rich and poor. Lesson 8 is this: invest in what you understand. Not in hype or trends, but in what's real. I never touched Bitcoin. I never followed fashion. I choose simple businesses that I truly know. I invested in Coca-Cola. I love and drink it. I understand the product and the customer too. Don't chase shiny things. If you don't understand, you'll make big mistakes and lose your peace. Learn before you buy. Study the company well. Know how they profit. Know how they grow. If you love tech and you use it, then maybe invest there because you understand. But don't guess blindly. That's not smart investing. That's just dangerous gambling, and it costs lives. The best investors aren't always smartest. They're just more careful and stay in control. So choose simple things. Things you use daily. Things that make sense. things you believe in. Money grows faster when you stay clear. Stick to your circle and never rush in. Lesson 7 is simple. Avoid debt at all costs. Looks easy now, but hurts you later. I've seen smart people lose everything they built because of bad debt and poor decisions. Credit cards feel harmless. You swipe, you smile. But the bill comes, and you feel trapped. I never used debt to grow my fortune. I used time instead, and saved before spending. Good debt can help, like for real estate. But most debt hurts and takes your peace. Don't buy big things just to look rich. That is fake success and real pain later. You want real freedom? Then avoid monthly bills. Live with less now to grow more later. If you can't afford, then don't buy it. Wait, save, plan, and keep control. I stayed out always and never felt poor, because peace is priceless and debt steals peace. Learn this lesson early. Debt is not power, it's a heavy chain. So walk away now. Lesson 6 is simple. Read something every day. Books changed my life and shaped my mind. I read for hours. When others watched TV, I wanted to grow, not just be entertained. Reading opens your eyes. You learn from others. You avoid their mistakes and save your time. I read business news, company reports, and books. I read about history and human behavior too. You don't need college, but you must read. That's how you grow. That's how you lead. Even 10 pages daily can change your life. It builds your focus and trains your brain. Most people stop learning after they leave school, but winners keep reading until their last breath. Knowledge is real power, and it's very cheap. Books are your friends and teachers for life. Don't say you're busy. Say you don't grow. Make time to read, even just a little. If you want success, start with 1 page, 1 book, 1 lesson, and grow every day. Lesson 5 is this. Stay calm in crisis. The world gets noisy, but you must think. I lived through crashes, big fear, big loss. People sold everything fast, but I stayed calm. When prices fall fast, people panic and run, but I wait quietly and look for value. In crisis, emotions rise. Logic often disappears fast, but money loves calm and rewards clear minds. I once bought stocks while others were scared. They dropped in value, but I stayed steady. Years later, they rose and brought huge returns because I stayed strong while others lost focus. Most mistakes happen when people feel fear. They rush to sell or buy without thinking. You don't win fast by following the crowd. You win by waiting and making smart moves. Calm is your edge. When others lose control, use quiet moments wisely. That's where power hides. Life will bring storms, but breathe, observe, think. You'll grow through chaos if you stay calm. Lesson 4 is important. Choose the right people. They shape your path more than you know. I worked with honesty and trusted strong minds. I stayed far away from greedy, loud voices. Your friends affect you. Their habits become yours. If they waste time, you waste it too. I chose smart partners, people who stayed calm, who thought long-term and spoke with truth. If someone lies once, they'll lie again soon. So protect your circle. Keep it clean always. Surround yourself with learners, with builders and readers, with people who grow and want your growth. I avoided loud talkers and followed quiet workers. They build in silence and win with time. Even one bad friend can ruin your vision. Don't fear being alone. Fear wrong connections more. Business is about trust. Life is too, always. So build strong teams with clear and honest hearts. If you're around growth, you will grow too. Choose carefully, live wisely. That's how I succeeded. Lesson 3 is key. You must be patient. Nothing great comes fast. Good things take time. I bought great stocks and waited for years. People laughed at me, said I was slow. But time is magic. It grows your money. It builds your skills and rewards your calm. Most people want now, quick wins, fast success, but they lose focus and give up early. I stayed with habits, even when they were boring. That's how you grow. One slow step daily. Don't rush the process. Success needs strong roots. Plant, water, wait quietly, then see it bloom. Impatience is expensive. It breaks smart plans. It creates bad decisions and deep regrets later. If you lose patience, you lose your path. So trust the time and keep showing up. Read slowly, learn daily. Practice English every morning. Growth is not magic. It's small steps repeated. So breathe, wait, believe. Your time will come. Just keep doing right and stay on track. Lesson 2 is this. Know your true limits, your circle of competence. Stay inside that space. I don't chase everything. I stay where I know. That's my strong ground, where I think clearly. Most people lose money trying to be experts in things they don't understand at all. I avoid trendy ideas and complex business models. If I don't get it, I don't invest there. You don't need everything. You need one thing, one space you understand. That brings real value. It could be coffee, or tech or shoes. If you know it, you can win there. I knew insurance well, and consumer products too. That's where I focused and found great success. Learn your strong area. Stick to your lane. Study it deeply and ignore the noise. If you don't know, say no with pride. That's real wisdom and power combined. Small circle, strong mind. That's how I built a clear, quiet fortune with no big risks. Lesson 1 is this. Build your reputation strong. It's your real capital and your best brand. I worked for years to keep my word. People trusted my name before my company grew. Reputation brings good deals, brings strong partnerships too. It opens silent doors and protects your future. But it's fragile, always. One lie can destroy all you built slowly, so speak with truth. If you say yes, then do that thing. If you promise something, then honor your word. People may forget numbers, but they remember actions. How you treated others matters more than profit. Even small things count. Show up on time. Pay what you owe. Help when you can. Your name travels fast, even when you don't. Let it speak good before you say anything. Protect it like gold. It takes years growing and seconds to break, so guard it carefully. Money comes and goes, but trust stays forever. Be known for honesty. That's your real power. What did you learn from Warren Buffett's journey? Which lesson touched you most? How will you apply it? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If this story helped you, please like the video share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe. Every week, we post real stories with lessons, told in simple English for learners like you. Thank you for watching. Keep reading, keep learning, and remember, you are growing every day.